If you love somebody, you love somebody. Get married with or without your parents' approval. You loved, no? प्यार करने के पहले you asked your parents, नहीं ना? तो शादी करने के पहले क्यों पूछ रहे हो? प्यार करने के पहले मैंने मम्मी को पूछा था कि मम्मी मेरे को ये पसंद है. Can I waste 2 years on her? नहीं ना? तो अभी शादी करने के पहले why does your mother have to like her?
I think when you love someone, when you want to be with someone, you might not be that person right now, but you will start changing yourself to be a person that the other person also wants.
I'm telling you from my perspective, I feel like being passionate about work and taking care of the house is just too much responsibility you're putting on a girl.
मैं बहुत change हो गया हूँ keeping love in my mind. Now love का point ये है कि if I want to get into a relationship, I want to get married.
So I'll tell you, when love and adaptability comes more from a guy's side, those relationships will last way longer and be happier. When adaptability and changes come more from a girl's side, those relationships will...
It also helps you so much when you have a partner who is going to be with you, who is stable enough, who is supporting you. तुम्हारा जो focus पहले ऐसे था ना, like you used to see these things because you're looking at more people, options. When you have a supporting partner like that, your vision becomes this now. एक बार जो हम लोग को cheat करके चला जाता है, should we give them a second chance? So welcome back guys and welcome back to our podcast Unsaid Feeling with Shanky. आज की जो गेस्ट है वो दूसरी बार आ रही है हमारे पॉडकास्ट पे और उनका नाम है रेबेका. अभी भी याद है जो हमने पहला एपिसोड रेबेका के साथ किया था और आज का एपिसोड और भी ज्यादा अच्छा होने वाला है. तो अगर आपको लव से रिलेटेड, रिलेशनशिप से रिलेटेड और लव मैरिज एंड अरेंज मैरिज के बारे में जानना है तो हम लोगों ने आज के एपिसोड में एग्जैक्टली यही बात की है. इस एपिसोड से आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने मिलेगा और बहुत कुछ जो आप इस एपिसोड से सीख के ले जाएंगे वो आप अपने लाइफ में रेप्लिकेट कर सकते हैं. तो देखते रहिए और सीखते रहिए. स्वागत है वापस रेबेका. दूसरी
You
बार.
have your thing. Oh, this is new. ये पहले नहीं था.
बहुत कुछ चेंज हो गया है from
Damn
first
nice.
episode to this is our 28th
हमको
episode.
ही नहीं मालूम
हाँ,
कौन
20
सा.
मतलब ये जब निकलेगा I think
हाँ,
भी around 20 30th episode तक
हाँ,
आएगा.
हाँ.
32 episode. So उसके साथ how are you Rebecca? How is life so far?
Fun.
How have things changed from that first time we did a podcast?
It's just gotten better only. Like I don't know to remember how life was then.
It was तुम्हारा लाइफ हमेशा मजेदार ही होता है.
हाँ.
But I think with your brand it has
It got better. Everything got better. I don't have the memory. एक साल हो गया?
not एक साल.
I was your first guest.
First guest.
So कितना time हो गया?
8 months.
9 months. December we shot.
No, we shot in December, but we posted in February.
So we met in December and now is November. So almost a year.
Almost a year. Oh,
I should have come in December only. Saying 1 year.
Well, how is Ace Vital doing?
Amazing. Touch wood, amazing. We're getting sold out and we're getting sales. We're getting good reviews. Like one thing that has not happened is nobody who's bought the product has come back with a bad. Has always has
So
said
repeat customers बहुत है.
बहुत repeat customers हैं and बहुत अच्छे reviews भी आते हैं. So they email us
Oh, nice.
that this has happened, that has happened, and it's damn
Okay, tell me
nice.
about the best email जो customer ने भेजा है.
The fact that they used it and they've used a lot of products and these are the basic kind of emails. ज़्यादा कुछ glorified इतने अच्छे नहीं आया, but the basic is they've used a lot of products and this helped.
Okay.
A lot of emails have come where should I buy or not buy because I've already used XYZ and it's not helping. And we tell them that we also very honest. We're like give it a try. अब जब इतना try कर लिया हमको भी try कर लो because I don't know what works on
But
your
लोग
body.
इतना time निकाल के email करते हैं ये question पूछने के लिए, which
Yes.
means they are really interested in the
Because
product.
it's a health related product. So some people, not everybody, but some people really, before you buy a health brand, it just I think feels safe to them कि एक बार check कर लेते हैं कि ये सही इंसान है कि नहीं.
And you reply to those emails?
Yes.
So you are like बहुत personally you are in touch with the customer.
Yes. So when it's a doctor owned brand, it's literally a doctor owned managed brand.
And definitely Instagram पे messages आते होंगे talking about the product or asking something about the product.
Mostly everything comes on email only. We have very good audience over there.
Oh, nice.
DMs पे only some, even in terms of barters, sometimes we get people saying we have been watching your content, I'd like to do a barter.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's damn nice. The response on Ace has been good.
That's good. I hope it do well more,
हाँ, yes.
and it will for sure. I think
Yeah, मतलब जितना हो रहा है, we are happy only.
perfect. So उसके साथ रेबेका, हम लोग यहाँ पे क्यों हैं?
हाँ.
And I think कोई इतने अच्छे से हम लोग को नहीं समझाता
The
है.
fact that Bring Back Rebecca worked. Say it again. So I
Yeah.
come the third time
So I'll
again.
tell you, this is what I said. So Ranveer says this, okay?
हाँ.
जिनके भी उनके जो गेस्ट है कोई
हाँ.
जो रिपीटली
हाँ.
like रिपीट में आते रहते हैं, उनको वो स्टार गेस्ट बुलाता है.
हाँ. So I'm your star guest.
You are my star guest.
Yes. Please say in the start only of the episode that Bring Back Rebecca.
Bring back Rebecca, guys.
Yeah.
Bring back Rebecca.
Yes.
So आज का conversation again, Rebecca, as you know, we are sitting here and you are full of love
हाँ.
and life,
हाँ.
but no relationship.
No
Okay.
relationship. Yes.
But I think हम लोग का जो पहला conversation भी हुआ
हाँ.
है about love and everything around, वो इतना अच्छा लोगों तक पहुंचा था, and the first episode also did so well.
Unfortunately, the video did better on other pages.
Yeah, exactly. Like there were other pages जो हम लोग के videos उठा रहे थे.
There's a friend who sends me one videos on somebody's page. I'll show it to you. 24 million or 24.8 million.
What?
And I'm like, ये तो हमारे पेज भी किसी और ने repost किया हुआ है.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
So उसी के साथ हम लोग का जो आज भी है
हम्म.
टॉपिक रेबेका, इट इज ऑल गोइंग टू बी अराउंड
हम्म.
लव, और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट हमारा आज हम लोग बात करेंगे लव मैरिजेस एंड अरेंज्ड
हम्म.
मैरिजेस के बारे में. ओके, सो बिफोर वी मूव इनटू लव मैरिज और अरेंज मैरिज, सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन कि आजकल के जेनजीज,
हम्म.
ओके, टॉकिंग अबाउट द मोस्ट बेसिक थिंग, ठीक
हम्म.
है, आजकल के जेनजीज का लव को लेके जो माइंडसेट है वो कैसे डिफरेंट होता जा रहा है.
Are you a Gen Z?
आई एम नॉट अ जेनजी, आई एम 95 born.
So you're a
So,
Gen Z. 96 तक millennial होता है.
no, like
You're a Gen Z.
I'm not a Gen
Guys,
Z.
95 is a Gen Z.
Oh my god, no, I'm not. I think
Have
it
you
is-
been in a situationship?
I have
You
been,
are a
but
Gen Z.
that was a different time. That is why. So I think I would say कि मैं Gen Z and millennial mix हूँ दोनों. I can
हाँ,
say
तुम
that.
बीच में अटक गए हो.
बीच
तुम
में.
ना इधर के हो.
वही सब लोग करते हैं मेरे साथ, बीच में
हाँ.
अटका देते हैं और भाग जाते हैं. So
Oh
हाँ,
God,
तो talking about that, Rebecca. So
हाँ.
जैसे Gen Z's का love के ऊपर जो सोच है,
हाँ.
how has it changed over
What
the
is
years?
their सोच on love? Help
जैसे
me understand.
देखो, I'll tell you, जैसे from as you mentioned कि जैसे मैं पहले Gen Z
हाँ.
situation, मतलब मैं जब Gen Z ब्रैकेट में
Situationship
था,
में था.
जब ब्रैकेट में था तब मैं बहुत सारे सिचुएशनशिप में रहा हुआ हूँ,
हाँ.
एंड इट वाज बैड.
From your side also it was a situationship?
फ्रॉम माय साइड नो, इट वाज नॉट अ सिचुएशनशिप. हमेशा क्या हुआ है, दूसरा जने आके
You've never met a girl where you felt like, okay, let's take this first casually and then figure out?
मैं ना बहुत अटैचमेंट वाला लड़का हूँ, मतलब
Starting में ही?
स्टार्टिंग में क्या, मिलने से पहले ही मैं ना सोच लूंगा मैंने शादी कर ली है, उसके साथ मेरे
You're like
बच्चे
that
होने वाले हैं. आई एम
Bhumika.
नॉट किडिंग, मैं
Yeah,
वही हूँ.
what is that? Uday Chopra.
उदय चोपड़ा ही हूँ मैं.
हाँ.
मतलब मैं बाइक में बैठा हुआ, बाइक चलानी नहीं आती, वो बाइक में बैठा हुआ शादी
And
के साथ
she's holding
बच्चों के
2
साथ
kids.
बैठा हुआ, मैं लिटरली वैसा इंसान.
हाँ.
सो आई थिंक फॉर मी लव हैज ऑलवेज बीन की
What's the longest relationship you've been in?
द लॉन्गेस्ट वाज 5 years.
5 years में भी वही फीलिंग था after 5 years कि बच्चे होंगे, शादी होगा, or it changed?
आई थिंक थोड़ा सा चेंज हुआ.
क्या हुआ?
I became more of a Gen Z person, I would say.
Then you wanted it to go casual.
Then I think कुछ रिलेशनशिप में मैं गया हूँ,
हाँ.
not with that mindset, but being like हाँ casually let's explore कि कुछ अच्छा मिल गया तो मिल गया. But 90% जिसमें भी था मैं, it was all one side strong वाला कि भाई शैंकी को प्यार हो गया.
हाँ, हाँ,
ठीक
उनको
है.
पता था.
उनको पता था,
Okay.
और पर वो सिचुएशनशिप में निकल गया, and because of that,
What were the reasons these girls would give for situationship?
see I'll tell you, सबसे पहले I won't say कि सब प्रॉब्लम उनकी तरफ से था. It was also they were clear from their end कि मेरे को
उनका रीजन क्या था?
हाँ, they were clear from their end कि मेरे को रिलेशनशिप में नहीं जाना है,
क्यों?
क्योंकि पता नहीं.
You never asked?
I asked like it was कि यार वो
A guy who has a podcast is not asking questions. Does it make sense? Why did you ask them?
no, but I think I have asked and they've always been like कि maybe we are not meant to be together, or maybe कि ये ऐसे ही सही है, उससे ज्यादा नहीं है. So it was a mix of situationship and all the other traits, the bad traits that you can talk about. But जैसे मैं वहां से निकला हूँ, now when I talk, I think मैं बहुत change हो गया हूँ, keeping love in my mind. So now love का point ये है कि if I want to get into a relationship, I want to get married. तो I think वो change हुआ है. पहले मेरा ऐसा mindset नहीं था.
Hmm.
I was okay with situationships. I
Hmm.
was okay with hooking up. I was okay with all the things that
Hmm.
was okay.
Hmm.
But now I'm not okay with any of those.
Now you want to get married.
Now, if I'm getting into a relationship, I want to get married.
Like basically, you're saying now if I'm investing my time, I want some
Exactly.
returns out
Yeah,
of it.
yeah.
I have a very so I don't know because I've never spoken to a Gen Z about this. कि ऐसे क्यों सोचते हैं, but I really feel like the detachment and they're scared to get attached because of what they have seen in relationships at home.
Mm,
We have grown up to see, I'm not saying unhappy or problematic, some relationships we have seen या तो हमारे घर पे या तो हमारे किसी ना किसी और के घर पे we have seen problematic relationships and marriages that people are putting up with. Otherwise also we have seen unsettled marriages or unhappy
So, are you
marriages.
talking about parents का relationship कैसा रहा
Yes.
है?
So either something very solid at your place or something very solid in your family. Oh, so,
Go on, go on.
something very solid या तो आपके खुद के घर पे या तो something very solid आंटी अंकल के घर पे, रिलेटिव्स के घर पे, कुछ ना कुछ वेरी अनसेटलिंग हमने देखा है एंड दैट फियर हैज कम ऑन कि वी डोंट वांट टू हैव अ मैरिज लाइक दैट. I have a feeling it could be that. It could be something else, of course. But I really feel कि ये हमारी शादी उनकी शादी जैसे नहीं होने चाहिए. So let's just filter out everything and be very careful is the mindset.
तो ये जेनजीस को कमिटमेंट को लेके क्यों इतना
इसी
इश्यूज है?
रीजन की वजह से कि अगर कमिटमेंट हो गया और ऐसा हालत हो गया तो दे डोंट वांट दैट. नो.
सो इज इट गुड टू हैव दैट माइंडसेट कि मेरे को उस सिचुएशन में जाना ही नहीं है?
इट्स द थिंग कि दूध का जला छाछ भी फूक फूक के पीता है. अगर तुमने लेट्स सिंपल एग्जांपल देखती हो, अगर तुम्हारे घर में योर पेरेंट्स हैव चीटेड ऑन ईच अदर, वन मेजर रेड फ्लैग ऑफ योर्स विल बी चीट नहीं करना चाहिए.
करेक्ट.
लाइक इफ यू हैव ग्रोन अप सीइंग physical abuse, emotional abuse, your major red flag will be short tempered नहीं होना चाहिए. Like
ओके.
if you have seen them not being happy and struggling through a marriage, your thing is कि भाई I want to filter out and know that इसके साथ मैं खुश ही रहूंगा या रहूंगी. एंड अगर मेरे को थोड़ा सा भी डाउट है, आई डोंट वांट टू एंड अप लाइक देम.
सो यू आर सेइंग कि हम लोग को आज जितना भी प्रॉब्लम्स है, मे बी अ लॉट ऑफ गार्ड्स हम लोग के सामने है. जैसे मेरे को आज कि जैसे वही कि मेरे को नहीं चाहिए कि कोई मेरे को सिचुएशनशिप में डाल के चला जाए. सो समथिंग और द अदर ये आया है हमारे फैमिली से हमको. अगर मेरे को चाहिए कि मेरे को लॉयली चाहिए, मैं
जैसे मेरा रेड फ्लैग इफ यू आस्क इज नॉट फिजिकल अब्यूज या इमोशनल अब्यूज, क्योंकि मैंने देखा ही नहीं है. तो मेरे को लगता है ये तो बेसिक है ना. मतलब ये मेरा रेड फ्लैग ये तो होता ही नहीं है. आई जस्ट कम विद द माइंडसेट कि ऑफ कोर्स टू पीपल लव ईच अदर, रिस्पेक्ट, तो ये तो आएगा ही नहीं. दिस इज अ रेड फ्लैग फॉर एनी रिलेशन, फॉरगेट मैरिज, बिकॉज आई हैव नॉट सीन दैट. माय रेड फ्लैग्स विल कम डिपेंडिंग ऑन मैंने क्या देखा है.
so a lot of it comes from the family. You need to, we all
From
have to
your
understand that.
upbringing is the word. शायद आपके घर में ना हो रहा हो, maybe your parents are really a good example, but from your upbringing what you have been conditioned to or whatever your exposure is.
So when we talk about cheating, as you
Hmm.
mentioned कि maybe cheating से हम लोग को प्रॉब्लम है या कुछ भी है. सो डू यू थिंक रेबेका, ये पर्सनल क्वेश्चन भी है, आई डोंट नो कि तुम उसमें रही हुई हो कि नहीं, पर एक बार जो हम लोग को चीट करके चला जाता है, शुड वी गिव देम अ सेकंड चांस? डू यू थिंक शुड एज ह्यूमंस हमारी लाइफ में हम लोग को लाइफ में सेकंड चांस देना चाहिए कि नहीं?
Yeah. Like I also am a, अगर मेरी दोस्त के साथ कोई चीट करे मैं बोलूंगी bro once a cheater always a cheater.
हाँ, exactly.
But I have never been a cheater. I've never been with a cheater. But I know कि 5 साल पहले मैं जो थी और 5 साल बाद मैं जो हूँ is very different in terms of personality only. In terms of friendships, in terms of मम्मी पापा के साथ हमारा relationship, everything changes. I feel like people have the quality to change, but that realization should come from within themselves.
But we should forgive them, or we should give them a second chance.
If they're really asking for it, and अगर आप go with what your gut says.
But is there a thing कि हम लोग को second chance देने से पहले we should be aware of these few things? ऐसा कुछ है?
How much you'll be careful?
नो
मतलब
मतलब कुछ भी से एग्जांपल अगर मेरे को आज किसी को सेकंड चांस देना है, मैं अपने पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बता रहा हूँ, मैं पहले ये देखूंगा आर दे रियली पुटिंग इन द एफर्ट्स
हम्म
अगेन और नॉट।
हाँ हाँ
पहला चीज सबसे
हाँ
इम्पोर्टेंट कि उसके बाद आई विल नॉट पुट बैक माई सेल्फ इन टू द सेम सिचुएशन एकदम, नॉट बिकॉज आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू बट बिकॉज आई एम जस्ट बींग वेरी
तो that is not
scared of.
giving a second chance. If
Second, like I'm testing the person like for the next 1 month कि एक महीने में I want to see this person कि
और
उन
एक
लोग
महीने बाद अगर चेंज हो गया
एक महीने
efforts,
तक मैं अगर देख रहा कि वो चेंजेस रियल में
हम्म
आए हैं, then I don't mind giving a second chance.
तो एक महीना करना is very easy, no?
Yeah, that is what I'm saying कि तो
हाँ
इतना तुम्हें टेस्ट करना पड़ेगा किसी को।
हाँ, but I also feel like एक go with what your gut is saying. Your friends and all, I really believe this कि a couple only knows कि उनके relationship में क्या हो रहा है. Nobody else knows. Nobody else knows how you all go to sleep at night. What is the last conversation you have? What is that one thing in the tone that has changed that is making nobody, not even your best friend, knows this. Only a couple knows ki this person has changed towards me. It's a very minute thing. If your gut says that this person will not cheat, go with your gut. Take a very informed,
Understood.
responsible decision for yourself. Don't blame anybody else in the end.
I think ये इतना it is making so much sense to me right now when I'm thinking, say I'm thinking about this person right now. मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ अगर वो मेरे लाइफ में वापस आती है, will I have no insecurities? I think मेरे को insecurities बहुत रहेगा, and when I talk about the gut, अगर मैं अभी gut की पूछूंगा, I don't want her in my life because I know she's going to do the same thing again. So I think what you are saying makes so much sense कि gut के point of view से सोचो, gut क्या बोल रहा है वो कर दो.
So I have a friend. I have a friend जो किसी को डेट कर रही थी. Now she's in a happier place. एक्स के साथ इवन इफ शी वुड गो टू अ पार्टी और वो एक्स किसी को साइड हग करता था, शी वुड गेट वेरी इनसिक्योर बिकॉज ऑफ व्हाटएवर वाज हैपनिंग इन दैट रिलेशनशिप जो सिर्फ उसको समझ रहा था. टुडे शी इज विद अनदर गाय, हैप्पी. दिस गाय हैज गॉन ऑन अ ट्रिप विद 2 अदर गर्ल्स एंड शी इज वेरी सिक्योर्ड. अ लॉट ऑफ सिक्योरिटी आई थिंक तुम्हारे पार्टनर की तरफ से भी आती है.
Absolutely.
बट इमेजिन कि अगर एक साइड हग भी तुमको इनसिक्योर कर रहा है, मतलब तुमको ही मालूम है कि वो ऑन अ डेली बेसिस क्या कर रहा है. दैट्स as simple as somebody putting a fire emoji and a heart stuck constantly, and you're having images of girls where you're constantly seeing your partner's likes, can trigger it. Now these little things my best friend will not know, or your
Not
best friend will not know. Daily things that contribute to that helps your gut feel कि ये सही है
ये
कि
सही
गलत
है
है.
कि
Listen to your gut.
उसके साथ like how what do you think about love at first sight?
I don't think there is any love at first sight. Have you ever fallen in love at first sight? There's only lust at first
यार
sight.
oh, this is different because I think यार मैं ना किसी को पहली बार देख लेता हूँ ना, I want to get married यार.
हाँ, और वो अगर चली गई तो तुम्हारा दिल तो नहीं टूटेगा ना, वो
टूटता
फर्स्ट.
है 2 दिन के लिए.
एग्जैक्टली, इज दैट लव? आई डोंट थिंक
So there is no concept of love at
love
first sight.
at first sight. No,
कैसे?
there's no attachment. Only by the way you look at a person. Somebody crossing a street is not going to touch chords of you that a person you're spending 2
So
years.
you're saying कि कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ है तुम्हारी लाइफ में कि तुमने किसी को देखा है and you were like, oh fuck, मेरे को I want to get in a
No, that's
relationship with him.
lust, darling. Exactly. जैसे तुम्हारी आंखें जा रही है, वो lust है, वो हवस.
Oh my god.
It's not love. किसी को देख के ऐसे मन नहीं करता कि मैं इसके लिए कमाऊंगा, इसके लिए घर बनाऊंगा. No, you want to be with that girl.
Oh.
It's only lust at first sight.
So you're saying
कि every
तुम्हें
time
कभी
you
कोई ऐसा नहीं हुआ है कुछ?
नहीं,
तो तुम सिक्योर्ड हो अपने आप.
बहुत बहुत ज्यादा. लोगों को मेरे साथ हुआ रहेगा, बट ऑल्सो लोग मेरे को आके बताएंगे नहीं. आई हैव एन ऑरा जहां दिल नॉट क्रॉस दैट
Okay,
बाउंड्री.
so तुम्हारे हिसाब से like being a girl, Rebecca, what is security to you? Like कि secure होना क्या है तुम्हारी लाइफ में एक लड़की होने के नाते?
Emotionally, I should have the space to come and I'll tell you, emotional security is me being able to break down anytime without having a feeling that I'll get hurt in the process. And hurt matlab sometimes the slightest things they say can hurt you while you are vulnerable. So I think just the space of being vulnerable with that person should be there.
कि तुम जो भी बोलो वो पार्टनर तुम्हें जज ना करे
हाँ,
और
and I should not think twice before being vulnerable. I should not feel like I need to hide my tears.
कि जैसे तुम हो जस्ट बी वेरी ओरिजिनल इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम।
Yeah.
कि अगर तुम्हें बहुत पेन फील हो रहा है या बहुत खुशी फील हो रही है, यू आर एक्सप्रेसिंग इट विदाउट एनी फिल्टर्स।
Yes.
दैट इज सिक्योरिटी फॉर
That is security emotionally.
मी। ओके, व्हाट इज फिजिकल सिक्योरिटी फॉर यू?
I think feeling safe.
या, एंड इन व्हाट वे?
Feeling safe with him and with everything that involves him. Like sometimes you are very safe with him, but you're not very safe with his friend circle.
ओह,
Or you're not very, you don't feel safe with their lifestyles.
एंड लाइफस्टाइल में क्या इंक्लूड होता है?
Whatever works for you or doesn't work for you. Like everybody has different lifestyles. Sometimes you're safe with the person one on one, but sometimes the person what जो वो लाता है अपने साथ doesn't make you feel safe. So you're okay with chilling with that person, but not maybe with the family or not with the friends or not with XYZ, like not with work friend. Security comes in whichever space I am with you. I should know that I'm safe.
अंडरस्टूड। एंड मनी वाइज क्या सिक्योरिटी?
Money wise, I think we've just come to a point where uh, I will only secure. But money wise, I think knowing that this much money comes in with your investment and everything, and we're good to retire, and everything that we are doing is for better life and not for basic living. Hand to mouth wala nahi chal raha hai, is security.
When you
I think.
talk about better life, are you someone who is into a luxurious life?
Yeah.
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 So you mean a luxurious good life?
So I'll tell you, I had been to an ashram in Nepal very recently called as Tapovan. Wahan pe I read one thing that was written that said that the best place to live is in a forest. And the second, if suppose forest is not happening, then the best place to live is in a palace. And that hit a chord because we're all struggling for that only. Like we're earning so much money and all for that only. To a point that abhi jab hum vacations pe jate hai, we go to a forest with a luxury of a palace. We're literally spending so much money to live in nature, but have the luxury of like have the service and pampering that a palace gives you. And it just made sense to me that everything we're doing in between is just hell. It's just struggle. So I also earned that.
तो आई थिंक मेरे लिए जो तुमने पहला पॉइंट बोला, आई थिंक माय प्लान इज दिस कि जब भी मैं रिटायर हो रहा हूँ या जैसा भी कमा के, आई वांट टू लीव ऑल दिस एंड you will only find me in a mountain or in a forest.
See?
So, and when it's my thing again कि
But इतने साल काम करने के बाद, do you think you'll be able to wake up and do nothing for days together?
so when I say nothing का मतलब मेरी लाइफ में ये नहीं कि देखो मैं काम तो मैं मरते
करूंगा,
दम तक करने वाला हूँ, but
environment change हो जाएगा.
environment change होगा and things will change. Maybe I might not be doing content creation.
You'll do something else.
Something else in a way कि I want to honestly the plan
Business
is
करेगा,
अपना एक
business.
छोटा सा नहीं अपना एक छोटा सा कैफे खोलो, उसी के ऊपर हम लोग रह रहे
उसको
हैं.
business ही बोलते हैं.
हाँ, छोटा सा कैफे खोलो, अपने उसके ऊपर रहो, not earn a lot good, but कि तुम वहाँ पे अच्छे से रह रहे हो.
Does मेरे को ये बात बताओ, when you said security, what kind of security can a girl provide to a man?
Yeah. So for me, the very first thing is support in a way कि जो भी आज मैं कर रहा हूँ, I want the girl to be very supportive with.
ये सब लड़के एक ही स्कूल से एक ही लाइन
नहीं,
बोलते
I'm not
रहते हैं.
kidding. I'm not even
तुमको
kidding.
भी support चाहिए ना?
नहीं, but I'm not kidding. Support in a way कि यार, I want the girl to be very okay with whatever career I have. Okay. And ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि तू मेरे साथ बैठ and talk to me about it 24/7. But तू यार just पूछ ले कि शांकी, if you're going for a shoot, कौन सा shoot है? Just show 5 मिनट का interest. Very happy with that. I have been with girls like that. Okay. Trust me, they have given me as much as I have given them passionately. Like career से related. That support. Like on point support मिला है मुझे भी and on point support उन्हें भी मिला है जो उन्होंने बोला है मेरी तरफ से. So I have met these. I think when you love someone, when you want to be with someone, you might not be that person right now, but you will start changing yourself to be a person that the other person also wants.
But I'm telling you from I'm telling you from my perspective, I feel like being passionate about work and taking care of the house is just too much responsibility you're putting on a girl.
Yeah,
Like I'm saying, you can have 10 maids in the
for
house,
sure.
but घर पे क्या खाना बनने वाला है, वो आके लेडी को ही पूछेगा ना. He's not going to go and ask the man of the
नहीं,
house.
मेरे घर में ऐसा होता है, मेरे से
हाँ,
पूछते
but
हैं.
I've seen that very rarely. Very good. तो
Yeah.
मेरे घर पे आके मेरी मेड को भी बताओ
Yeah, no,
क्या बनाना चाहिए.
honestly मेरे घर में हम
हाँ.
लोग से पूछा जाता है कि खाना क्या बनता है, तो मेड एंड ऑल हमें फोन करते हैं. अगर हम लोग घर पे है भी नहीं तो हम
Right.
लोग को फोन करके पूछा जाता है कि घर पे क्या खाना
So
बनाना है.
I just feel like even if you have help, the major home decisions have been taken by a woman, and that's extra responsibility that we are passionate about our work.
I
We
get your
come and
point.
take care of the house, and we also cater to your emotional needs.
I
Like
get
it
your
just becomes one extra work to do.
I know what you're
हमको
talking
भी वही करना है. Passionate about work, somebody supports us. खत्म.
about. But I know what you're talking about, and exactly I think ये मेरी फैमिली में है ऐसा कि जहाँ पे अगर राशन भी खरीदने जा रहा है ना, मेरा भाई जाता है राशन खरीदने. So we as brothers in the family also make sure that we are also giving that kind of an importance to everything that the girl is also giving importance to.
राशन खरीदने भाई जाता है. भाई को पता होता है क्या-क्या राशन
हम
खरीदना
लोग
है.
को सब कुछ पता है.
He
घर
knows
का
घर पे क्या
हम लोग को घर का A to Z सामान पता है कि क्या-क्या आता है.
But
Obviously
you all
हमारे
know कि
मेड
खत्म क्या हुआ है.
हमारे जो कुक भैया है,
हम्म.
he helps us somewhere कि
हम्म.
ये सब खत्म हो गया है. तो he
Fair.
बट वी नो कि क्या सब्जी आनी चाहिए. ये नहीं लेंगे तो कल अगले महीने तक चल जाएगा.
हाँ.
सब्जी का दाम कितना है अभी मार्केट में, क्या क्या.
You should start a series of this. How men should help women. Part 1.
That is actually
How
a good
men
idea.
should help women. Part 2.
That is actually, and
हाँ.
as I told you कि for me in my house women का space is very special. I keep pads in my house, not because I should not keep it because I'm a man or something, but because any women who comes to my house, उनके लिए कि whenever they wanted, कभी भी emergency में काम पड़
मेरे
गया.
घर पे पैड नहीं होते. मेरे को ही last minute मंगाना पड़ता है. Order quick delivery 5 minutes.
Exactly,
Please come.
exactly, and that is the reason I keep pads in my house as well. For these reasons. मेरे घर में pads मिलेगा, मेरे घर में वो जो भी बोलते हैं buckles
hair
मिलेगा,
clip.
hair clips, ये सब कुछ कपड़े
The
भी मिल
amount
जाएंगे.
of girls that come to your house that you need this.
It is good. I just want to have that space. All my friends, because my place is one of the place यहाँ पे लोग hang out करते हैं.
Yeah.
So for all my girlfriends, okay, I want to create this. And for my sister who keeps coming, for my mother who keeps coming, so I want to create this.
Fair.
So
Fair.
that is the whole reason. Okay. Now, when we talk about these things, okay, when we talk about house, when we talk about families, very important topic जो आज हम लोग बात करेंगे रेबेका is about love marriage and arranged marriage.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
What do you believe in?
No, I want to honestly start with you. कि what do you think is the concept of love marriage and arranged marriage from your point of view?
Let's go down to basics.
Yeah.
ठीक है, let's go down to first grade. Are you okay with marriage?
Now I am.
Yeah. So love marriage, arranged marriage is something that you'll come to 10th standard and understand.
Okay.
First standard is, are you okay with marriage?
Right.
Do you understand what happens in a marriage?
Yes. A to Z.
Are you willing to what do you think a person needs to get married?
प्यार,
Like हाँ और
प्यार, पैसा
हाँ
और support.
support मतलब
Just you know each other. You are supporting
compatibility.
compatibility.
See, I don't come from these schools of thought.
Okay.
I feel like शादी करने के बाद प्यार चला जाता है. पैसा तो तुमको जीवन भर कमाना है because your lifestyle keeps upgrading. तो no money is ever enough. Compatibility एक हद तक ही होता है. Even if we are, let's say you and I, अगर हम दोनों बहुत ही similar हो, वो 6 महीने तक ही similarity आएगी. फिर eventually the differences आएंगे. I feel marriage is about more than compatibility. It's about respect and adaptability. You should be able to understand that it's like business. I should understand कि no matter what, I'm going to respect whatever I'm doing and that other person, and whatever comes to it, I'm willing to adapt.
Absolutely. That comes with the support I mentioned about. If you are supportive enough to each other, you will adapt to things that comes on the way.
But eventually that adaptability can become a pain, right? You should just
I know what you're talking about.
हाँ.
And I have also thought about this also.
हाँ.
Adaptability might become a pain. Very small example. Will I be okay to moving to a new city because she's getting a job there? आई
इट्स
थिंक
डेली अडेप्टेबिलिटी, ये तो बहुत बड़ी-बड़ी चीज़ें हैं। डेली अडेप्टेबिलिटी ऑफ फैन चाहिए, एसी चाहिए, टोन में क्या बात हो रहा है, व्हाई डू आई हैव टू टॉक टू योर मदर, व्हाई आर यू नॉट टॉकिंग टू माय मदर, व्हाई यू नॉट कमिंग होम इन टाइम, खाना एक बार खराब बन गया, व्हाट यू आर सेइंग इज मेजर थिंग्स
अंडरस्टूड
दैट पीपल स्टैंड बाय,
अंडरस्टूड यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्मॉल थिंग्स इन द हाउस.
that you every day you have to wake up and choose that person while he's not let you sleep while he's snoring 8 hours. मतलब तुम अलग रूम में जाके सोओगे क्या? And not sleeping is a big thing.
Absolutely.
So I'm talking about daily waking up and choosing that person. Are you okay with that? Are you okay with personally adapting day in and day out and still being like, no, I choose this person? That is marriage. If you are okay with that and you want to put up with all of that, then comes, do you want to do love marriage or arranged marriage?
I already know your answer, I think.
What is it?
Because you're talking about these things, I
Hmm.
think you want love marriage.
Why?
अगर
Arranged marriage में नहीं होता है?
adaptability का question might become difficult later, but if you are in a love marriage, you know about each other पहले से बहुत कुछ.
हाँ, तो adaptability arranged marriage में ज़्यादा होता है because you don't know the person's basic day-to-day living ना.
So I'm talking about you. Maybe you will not choose that because if you're very specific about adaptability, you would go for a love marriage.
What I would go for, I don't know. I would go for a marriage that lasts.
How would you know that?
It's a gamble, yeah. Marriage is
Everything is a
literally
gamble. Yeah,
मतलब
it is a gamble.
we've known people in the movie industry who've dated for 10 years before marriage, got married and then broken up within a year or 2 years. We've known people who've literally met for 2 months, gotten married and having a, like, there's no love marriage is only good or arranged marriage is only good, and we can't go by data
Absolutely.
because शादी में क्या हो रहा है, a lot of people don't talk about it. So what is good, what is bad, we only know how many people are getting divorced. We don't know how many marriages are really working well. But I think it's a gamble, a marriage that lasts, and where you are willing to adapt, and that other person is also willing to adapt as much as you.
So, but what is your call? Would you go for a love marriage or would you go for a?
I'd go for any marriage where I see the other person willing to adapt. The question that I'd go for marriage or no is one thing. If I find a person who I see is willing to adapt and understand what a marriage is all about, then love और arrange नहीं फर्क पड़ता है. Ultimately 2 साल के बाद सबकी शादी एक जैसी होती है.
Understood.
Be it a love marriage or an arranged marriage, the daily things that you're putting up with is almost the same. If you're talking about the honeymoon phase, वो हो चुका है ना arranged marriage में. After a few years, arranged love is almost the same thing. Unki family has accepted you in love marriage. Like you are almost riding the same boat.
You're on the same boat after
Yeah.
2 or 3 years.
Yeah.
That is. उसके साथ ये soulmates जो होते हैं रेबेका, ठीक है, ये I feel कि soulmates, when you talk about soulmates, is only when you are falling in love and doing a love marriage is what I feel soulmates मिलते हैं.
हाँ.
कि arranged marriage में भी तुम्हें soulmates मिलते हैं.
I
Do
don't
you
think
believe in the concept of soulmates?
I do believe in the concepts of soulmates, but I don't think you find soulmates necessarily in your marriage. Like I feel soulmates are
Apart from your partner as well.
soulmates. Yeah, it can be a friend, it can be a family member, it can be a dog, it can be anybody.
It doesn't have to be your partner only.
Because no matter how much you say, marriage is about conditions. No matter how much you love the person, marriage is about conditions applied from the wife's side and the husband's side. It's not one-sided. Marriages are conditions
Absolutely.
applied, and your love and everything, how you behave with the person, is going to depend on those conditions. So I don't feel like your soulmate can be your partner only. I feel like soulmate can be anybody.
Anyone apart from your partner.
Apart from your partner.
पर ये और ये freedom जब बात करते हैं तो freedom किस में ज़्यादा मिलता है? Is it love marriage में ज़्यादा freedom है या arranged marriage में ज़्यादा freedom है? See, I'm talking from a point, okay, जो भी अभी conversation जाने वाला है रेबेका, it will all be from a point कि there are people watching who are not married yet. And उन लोग सोच रहे हैं कि should we go for a love marriage or should we do an arranged? So we want to clear a lot of doubts for them.
So I'll tell you.
Yeah.
ये स्पेसिफिक है ही नहीं कि लव और अरेंज बिकॉज इट्स वेरी पर्सन सेंट्रिक.
Absolutely.
There are people who are getting into abusive relationships in a love marriage. There are people who are getting into abusive
Exactly.
What matters is person and the upbringing. Love marriage, arranged marriage is really about मुझे मेरी नहीं मिली, आप ढूंढ के दे दो. It's nothing else. बचपन से हम नहीं सोचते कि अरेंज मैरिज ही होगा मेरा. बचपन से we think we'll get married to, we'll find a girl like Shahrukh Khan found one and all of that. It's very romantic. लव मैरिज एंड अरेंज मैरिज आई थिंक अगर आपको मिल गई तो आपका लव हो जाता है, वरना आपका अरेंज हो जाता है और वो किसी और को मिल जाती है. इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट. द पर्सन यू आर गेटिंग मैरिड टू defines your freedom in the marriage. The person that you're getting married to needs to have basic understanding and respect for your freedom and their own freedom. One, they should understand that this is ये भाई ये मेरा freedom है, ये आपका freedom है, and I also respect that. And if you see that happening, that will not change after marriage also. If a person respects your freedom and understands where you're coming from, that will not change after marriage, whether it's love or arrange. It's a very, the person that you're getting
Got it.
married to.
Got it.
It's nothing else.
And when we get into a relationship, say we are married and everything, I want to know from your point, ki Rebecca, how are things looking forward to? I'll give you few examples
दे
so
दो.
that you have an idea of what I'm talking about. Say, I'm talking about arranged marriage setup. Arranged marriage setup. कि marriage हो गया है. Now क्योंकि marriage हो गया है, now here पूरा family का जो responsibility है वो guy पे गया है.
हाँ.
On the guy. लड़की यहाँ पे बोलती है because it's an arranged marriage, the guy is responsible to take care of me.
डाउरी भी तो लिया है ना.
Okay, so give me dowry नहीं, चलो dowry हटाओ, dowry नहीं लिया ये सब चीज. So you are responsible to take care. You are responsible to take care of me. What do you think about this?
I don't believe in the concept of love marriage and arranged marriage. Let me tell you why. Because we don't belong to a country where love marriage and arranged marriage happens anymore. I'm talking about cities. I'm not talking about.
Okay, what do you mean by arranged marriage and love marriage?
What is
doesn't
love
happen?
marriage for you?
Love marriage की दो, एक लड़का लड़की, एक लड़का लड़का, लड़की लड़का, और all genders
Two
together
people fall in love, get married.
get married.
We're not doing that. Here in India, when two people love each other, they still look for parental consent and the parents are a part of the marriage. No, they're still looking for, oh, if I get married to this caste, my parents might not be okay. While love is already happened. लड़की फिर भी अपने घर वालों को मना रही है, लड़का फिर भी, तुम लोग भाग के शादी करोगे, that's love marriage. India doesn't have the concept of love marriage. We make love marriage arranged marriage. We get two families together. We get them to talk. We get.
But that's a good thing, no? You are getting your
I'll tell
families
you.
together.
Let me
because-
complete.
No, you are getting your
You're
families
making-
together because you want your families to be happy
No,
about
you're
your marriage.
complicating it. You're making the girl. You're making your family like the girl. In a love marriage, why does your family have to like the girl? You like the girl, no, get married, no, like foreigners do. No, the family has to like the girl. The family has to like the boy. Now in arranged marriage, they give time to the couple, fall in love, go out more. मिलो जुलो 4-5 बार मिलो ताकि थोड़ा बॉन्डिंग हो जाए. उसको आप लोग लव मैरिज कर रहे हो because you all don't want it to fail. In arranged marriage also, after the family is met, the boy and girl today have been given rights to be like, तुमको पसंद है कि नहीं पसंद है बेटा. If I'm getting my father will ask me if I'm okay or not okay.
Correct.
I have a choice. Earlier, that was not arranged marriage. Arranged marriage was not about choice. I get to meet the guy a lot of times to have rhyme and rhythm with the guy. They're making arranged marriages, love marriages, and love marriages, arranged marriages. We are complicating the system. If you love somebody, you love somebody. Get married with or without your parents' approval. You loved, no? प्यार करने के पहले you asked your parents. नहीं ना? तो शादी करने के पहले क्यों पूछ रहे हो? Have that much akal that when I have wasted 2 years of her life or 5 years of her life or 2 months of her life, प्यार करने के पहले मैंने मम्मी को पूछा था कि मम्मी मेरे को ये पसंद है, कैन आई वेस्ट 2 years on her? नहीं ना. तो अभी शादी करने के पहले why does your mother have to like her?
Because you love your family and that is why you just want everything to go smoothly. क्योंकि
That is,
आगे
that is
relation.
making love marriage arranged marriage.
You
If
are
your
comparing it. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. You're comparing it from a foreign relationship जहाँ पे a guy and a girl
No,
gets
it's
married.
simple. Love marriage should happen irrespective of parents' approval.
Okay.
If you're waiting for your parents' approval and your parents have to align with their parents and your parents have to align with the other partner, it's arranged marriage. You just found the partner. लव मैरिजेस डोंट एग्जिस्ट. यहाँ पे तुम लड़की लेके आए हो और तुम अरेंज मैरिज कर रहे हो. वहां पे पेरेंट्स लड़की लेके आए हैं और अरेंज
I
मैरिज हो
got
रहा
your
है.
point.
अल्टीमेटली हमारे यहाँ पे अरेंज मैरिजेस ही हो रहा है. लव मैरिज इज व्हेन आप पार्टनर ढूंढते हो, irrespective of what the world thinks, you decide to be with the partner. Do you agree? Do you not agree?
I don't know because
Is everything just not arranged marriage today? Except for people जो भाग के शादी करते हैं, आप लोग कर रहे हो love marriage.
I think I still feel कि what you are saying is
Is
right.
arranging, no. After you're in love also.
But I think end of the day, देखो आज जैसे I'll give you an example छोटा सा मेरी फैमिली को लेके. मैं मेरी मॉम ने बोल दिया है क्लियरली, भाई बेटा तेरे को जिससे शादी करनी है कर. आई डोंट हैव अ से. सी नाउ आई फाउंड अ पार्टनर फॉर मी, से एग्जांपल. नाउ अब बिकॉज नाउ इट हैज कम टू अ प्लेस वेयर आई वांट टू गेट मैरिड टू हर, आई एम टेलिंग माय मॉम बिकॉज I want her to meet my family and everything. I love her. She will
अगर
not say
उसमें कोई
yes.
डिसअलाइनमेंट हो गया तो
She's not saying no for that.
वो तुम अज्यूम कर रहे हो. एंड आई एम आल्सो होपिंग गुड फॉर यू. आई एम नॉट सेइंग
Correct.
कुछ खराब हो.
Correct.
आई एम जस्ट सेइंग घर वालों को मिलने के बाद कोई डिसअलाइनमेंट हो गया तो
What, in what way?
डिसअलाइनमेंट हो गया where the mother's not okay with the girl or the girl's not okay with the mother, तो क्या?
I will still get married to her.
And keep her
And
away from the family.
I'm anyways keeping my wife away from the family.
हाँ.
I'm not staying in the same house. The idea is moving away, not for my sake, but for the girl's sake. I want to be away कि ये जो बहू सास वाले के जो लोचे होते हैं, I don't want to get that into a family.
It's simple. I'll tell you what. In India, the number one reason for divorces to happen. अभी divorces हो चुके हैं तो उनका study अलग से हो चुका है. The number one reason for divorces to happen is infidelity, where the person's cheating. The second most common reason is in-laws. So be it love marriage or arranged marriage,
तुम्हारा family matter करता है.
if you're arranging the family to align with the boy or the girl and with each other, the families are involved. We have come to a point, I'll tell you. पहले हमको तो ऐसी ही मिल जाती थी. अभी अगर तुमको शादी.com से मिले या बम्बल से मिले, what is arranged marriage, what is love marriage? तुमने जाके शादी.com पे लड़की ढूंढा है, तुमने जाके बम्बल पे लड़की को ढूंढा है.
But I'll tell you.
Shaadi.com will become arranged marriage, Bumble will become love marriage.
Yes.
You have gone to a .com, you have found
No,
a
but
girl.
I'll tell you the difference between this. मैं शादी.com पे इसलिए गया हूँ क्योंकि I want to get married. But मैं Bumble पे इसलिए गया हूँ because I want
Let's
to see and then get
No,
married.
let's say your agenda is marriage only, but you don't want to do the agenda. Like today you are.
Yes.
Ki bro, if I want to put my effort, it has to be onto a girl
Correct.
that I align with.
Correct.
If your agenda is marriage, if you're at an age of marriage, what site you have gone to doesn't matter, no? How does that define? We are more aware of what site has what happening. Like, I've to heard a lot of thuggy people also on Shaadi.com.
Absolutely, I know.
But I'm just saying that at the end of the day, you are looking for a partner to get married. So both is love marriage. तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स ढूंढते तो अरेंज मैरिज होता है ना. तुम ढूंढ रहे हो, भली वो शादी के साइड से ढूंढ रहे हो, भली कम्युनिटी के तुम ढूंढ रहे हो, जो तुम ला रहे हो वो लव मैरिज हो जाता है बाय द. I just feel love marriages don't happen in India.
So
Whoever's saying love marriage is happening in India is in some delusional world. They are not seeing the arranged aspect of it.
because I know one point I definitely agree with you, Rebecca, कि love होने के बाद भी we have 90% of the pressure कि family को accept करना है.
Like
कि
love
family
marriage
accept करेगी कि नहीं करेगी.
का aspect is you and I fall in love. We have decided to get married. अब parents को inform किया जाता है. I have found my partner.
I'm
This is
getting
when
married.
we are planning to get married. Let's do a dinner before marriage together.
That
But
is
ये
love
मेरा
marriage.
this is
Got
love
it.
marriage.
Got it.
You're making love arranged, which is why most times people even break up.
So now in a scenario, Rebecca, बहुत सारे जने अभी love में हैं and they want to get married, okay? And there is a point, and
जहाँ
in India
फैमिलीज को
we know
मिलना
कि
पड़ता
जिनको
है.
families accept नहीं करता है, whether it is due to caste, whether it is due to whatever reason. I fucking hate it when things get rejected because of caste or your stature in the society. Now tell me this, Rebecca. We are not talking about love
At all.
marriage or we are not talking about arranged marriage at all.
Hmm.
We are just talking about a marriage situation.
Because love marriage इंडिया में नहीं होता.
Okay, perfect. So we are talking about a marriage
Yeah.
situation. Now, तुम्हारा क्या लेना है? Say, I don't know if you want to get married or not,
Hmm.
or whatever that
Hmm.
is. But say once you have married, Rebecca, there is a guy here, there is a girl here. Now, how to run a family? Should it be कि दोनों को equally same चीज करना चाहिए, or is the guy more responsible to take care of the girl, or is the girl more responsible to take care of the guy? What do you think?
सिंपल है. जो तुम्हारा स्ट्रेंथ है उस पे काम करो. Don't try and fill up the other person's weakness. It's easier to work on what your strength is. If your strength is earning money, work on that. Sometimes when you're trying to fill up on the other person's weakness, you may or may not be able to work on full power. But if your strength is management, then do management in whatever sense, in terms of family, in terms of house, in terms of friends. Do management. If your strength is uh, bringing stability to the relationship, emotional or physical, work on that. If your strength is protection, work on that. Whatever your strength is, work on that. If there are some empty corners in the relationship that y'all both cannot fill, it's okay. But when y'all work on strengths, y'all will just be able to grow faster. When you're trying to constantly, I don't know how to put this, fill up on each other, y'all will just not know if y'all are doing it well also or no.
Now I'll tell you what. Just say when I have a partner, okay, we are married now and I have a partner. I want to give in the same amount of effort, work, and everything that the other person is also giving. Okay. Now, when I talk about this, I'm talking from all the point of view. Say, example, I know मेरा salary आज ज़्यादा है and maybe my partner का salary कम है, या मेरा salary कम है and मेरा partner का salary ज़्यादा है. We understand कि ऊपर नीचे है. But in a relationship, holding it together just because I am a guy or she's a girl, she has no rights to tell me कि because I am a girl or because it is an arranged setup, you are completely responsible to take care of me no matter I'm working, I'm not working. I won't be including anything in the family because you are a guy and we have set this an arranged marriage and you are responsible to take care of me. So I feel that is wrong.
So I don't feel that is wrong. I'll tell you.
Okay.
I feel that first line where you said that where I'm willing to contribute to every part of the marriage while she's also contributing.
Absolutely.
I think that is where it goes wrong. Marriage is about contributing to every part of the marriage irrespective of the other person wanting to put that effort or no.
No, you're trying to understand this. What I'm saying, I'm not just talking about one point of view.
Huh.
I'm talking marriage as a whole.
Hmm.
I am also earning today. My partner is also earning, but my partner is like कि मैं अपना पैसा
नहीं दूंगी.
नहीं दूंगी, मैं पूरा पैसा बचा के
ये तुमको
रखूंगी.
शादी के पहले आइडिया हो जाता है लेकिन.
Yeah, I'm just talking about that. That is, we are not talking about शादी से पहले. We are talking about शादी moment only. तो मैं पैसा कुछ भी family में नहीं मिलाऊंगी because you are a guy and you have to take care of.
Fair. If she said that no, and if you still want to keep the marriage, this is about adaptability.
But I'm not, again, give me a simple answer. Is it right or wrong?
There's no right or wrong when it comes to marriage. Your partners can have unreasonable expectations. You have to put up with it if you want the marriage
But
to last.
you mean to say it is okay to be like this completely?
Yeah.
You mean कि इतना adjust
Are
कर
you
लिया?
saying our parents' ka relationship was 50-50?
No, but everyone is making an effort to be at a certain level. I'm
How
not
much
saying.
effort is one person doing in? Let's go to our parents' equation.
Okay.
Tell me if it was 50-50 or even 60-40. There were times where for years it was 90-10. And if you're lucky, you get to see the other side of the 90-10.
Correct.
Some people have never gotten to see the other seesaw of it. They've only seen 90-10. What is, there's no
So you
50-50.
mean to say lifetime भी ऐसा चल रहा है तो चलने दो.
Yes, if you
But it is also affecting others in the family.
want to keep your marriage, do what it takes to
Correct.
keep it. Varna,
Absolutely.
give up on it.
Absolutely.
There's no right or wrong. Like once you enter the marriage, you can't fight about ये सही है, ये गलत है. You
No,
have
but I'm
to
talking
go.
about because of that
हाँ,
relation,
हाँ,
others are being affected.
that is their problem.
That is a problem.
That is their problem who's getting affected. That's not your
Exactly.
problem.
Say,
They can stay out of your relationship and not get affected. Not
because of the situation, parents are getting affected.
that's their problem.
Exactly.
They can move out of the marriage and not get affected. If your parents are getting affected, it's not your problem.
Exactly. That is a,
मतलब तुम्हारा issue नहीं है वो. If your parents are getting affected, it's very simple. A man and woman get married, decide to have a future. If shit goes down, they have a future without their family.
without
And
their
fi-
family.
हाँ,
Correct.
and
Now you have to
figure-
cut all the ties. I'm not
हाँ.
talking. What I'm trying to say is
The idea is to choose marriage and that person every day.
absolutely.
नहीं हो पा रहा है, छोड़ दो. But there's no right and wrong.
Exactly. But what again? The scenario here is लड़का लड़की.
Hmm.
If they जिसकी वजह से बाकी सब भी affect हो रहे हैं, you better stay separate and don't be connected with anything कि
Which is true.
you have
Which is what a lot of people say, that if the girl is detaching emotionally, physically from her family, the boy also needs to detach from his family and come on the same ground.
absolutely.
You can't have one person holding on to one rope and one leaving all strings and coming. So this is basic. I align with you on this.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Like I think everyone has to compromise something or the other in a
Yeah.
marriage,
And
and
I'm
that is
saying
adaptability.
no right and wrong, because there can be a point in your marriage where one of them has cheated and you have decided to put up with it.
Hmm.
Now, this can be wrong to the entire world, but you
But for
have
your partner,
decided
yeah.
that somebody who stood by me for 10 years, I choose to look at this as a mistake and put up for another 10, 20, 30 years. There's no right and wrong. It's about what you are okay with and what.
And when you're talking about adaptability, that is what I'm trying to say. Ki it should not, in a relationship, adaptability is very good when it is coming from both the points.
But it's always one side is always more than the other. I don't know who that is.
And I'm not saying it has to be 50-50, but I'm
Huh.
saying what if it is only adaptability is only coming from one point and not coming from the other point at all?
So I'll tell you, when love and adaptability comes more from a guy's side, those relationships will last way longer and be happier. When adaptability and changes come more from a girl's side, those relationships will be less happier and may or may not work by the end.
Oh my god. And how do you figure out that?
It's simple. It's very simple. Tell me more successful relationships that you have seen and tell me who loves whom more according to you.
I think you're right.
Let's go to not working relationships. Who did wrong?
You're talking about my relationships?
Yeah, like let's talk about relationships we know. Don't
not
talk about
marriages.
yours. No.
Not marriages. No. Relationships you're talking about.
Marriages also, relationships also,
Together.
but get yourself. You can't be.
Okay, I'm not
Huh.
the one. Okay, we are comparing someone.
Huh.
Uh,
Tell me the ones that have not worked. Did the man love the woman more? Or was the woman more
Okay.
invested than the man?
There was this situation where the girl loves the guy more, but the guy was not so much invested, and that is why they broke up.
Yeah.
I think it was
It's simple.
less from the guy's
if
side.
your boyfriend or if your partner, the male partner, loves you more in the equation, you'll be way happier. In equations where the girl is the one who's catering more and loving more,
Oh my god.
will be less
Oh
happier.
my god.
It's
This is a
simple logic.
this is a mind
You
blowing
want to
fact.
have a happy marriage and a happy relationship, make sure you are the one who loves more. Irrespective of what she is doing. We are not in school to be like, उसने मुझे मारा तो मैंने उसको मारा. How can she ask me this? We're not in school.
You're not in school.
At any point for your equation to work, you have to be the one to cater more. The man. Unfortunately.
Oh my
So happy to be a girl.
Oh my god, that's a very deep thing that you've mentioned. And
What do you see girls complaining about most?
there's a one thing when you talk about this, there's one thing I've read somewhere. Guys, इमोशंस के ऊपर देयर वाज सम लाइन आई फॉरगॉट कि लड़कियां इमोशनल ज्यादा होती है, लड़के प्रैक्टिकल ज्यादा होते हैं, दैट इज व्हाई लड़का का प्रैक्टिकल थिंग की वजह से
सो आई
रिलेशन।
टेल यू व्हाट, ये बहुत गलत फहमी है. इट्स नॉट गलत फहमी, इट्स राइट. Men fall for physical aspects, women fall for emotional aspects. It's right in the beginning. Few months down the line, your physicality does not matter to that man. I have not seen a husband who's been like, "Ah, my wife looks so good," and he's looking at her for half an hour. I've not seen a man who's married to a woman for 10 years being blown. He'll just be like, "Oh, achhi lag rahi hai, khatam." He'll not stare at her for 10 minutes. So physicality is gone out of the picture. Men stay in a relationship emotionally for support and stability. When they get a partner whom they come back to, who makes them feel stable, who gives them a lot of emotional support, men stay there. Women, unfortunately, are the opposite. They look for a lot of emotions in the start, but they look for a lot of physical support later. So, somebody who's helping them in course, who's helping them physically in a lot of aspects, because women get drained on that aspect, is where women are happier.
Oh my
They
god.
feel a lot of physical responsibility in terms of household, children, which is why a lot of widowed women don't choose to get married again because they don't want that responsibility again. Single women are happier because that responsibility aspect is not there only.
So you mean to say the roles get reversed
In a
later?
few months,
Oh my god.
women look for a lot of physical support
Wow.
and help, which is why we get house helps.
And okay, when we talk about help, how involved should a husband be with everything, and how involved should a wife be with everything when we talk about the
Help.
house?
So let's say whatever your wife is asking for, do it and do it well. If she's asking you to make tea, don't ask her where the tea is, where the ginger is, where the clove is, where the cardamom is, where the handi is. She'll get up and she'll make it if she's to answer so much. Like, help properly. Whatever you have been asked help for when it comes to a man or a woman, because there's no typecast here. What I need in terms of help may not be what another girl needs in terms of help. We have to be matured over here and voice out what we want. Individually, we have to communicate, and the other person should cater.
Got it. Okay, now give me this three simple things that a guy can help girl with.
Everything that she asks for.
And but a lot of times the girls complain about मेरे को सब कुछ पूछना जरूरी है क्या?
हाँ, तो एक दिन उसको बैठ के बता दो कि पूछना ज़रूरी है क्योंकि आई हैव बीन बॉट अप विथ बॉयज़, आई अंडरस्टैंड बॉयज़, आई एम वायर्ड लाइक अ बॉय. तुम मेरे को बता दो कि मैं चुपचाप कर लूँगा विथ ऑल माय हार्ट. इफ आफ्टर आई एम डूइंग यू सी माय हार्ट इज़ नॉट इन इट, कम एंड पिक ऑन मी. But help me out here because I want to make you happy, and nobody's ever, my parents have not taught me how to keep you happy. Your parents have not. You are the only one who will teach me. Help me.
Okay, now on the same lines, if there's a girl who keeps saying कि यार मेरे को सब चीज पूछने का थोड़ी ना जरूरत है, and I have heard that, trust
तो
me, I
उसको बैठ
have.
के यही लाइन समझाओ.
नहीं, उसके apart from this line, अगर something that you have to tell to a girl now,
हाँ.
what would you say?
As in
The same thing you said, mentioned to a guy कि if a
ऐसे
guy
बैठ के उसको समझा दो.
समझाओ,
हाँ.
same thing, let's reverse it a little bit. Girl को क्या बोलोगे आप?
I'll tell the girl the same thing. I'll tell the girl that, listen, when you walk into a room full of guys and one guy is upset, do you know how to cater to him? No. When you walk into a room full of girls and you see a girl upset, you exactly know कि चल बाहर चलते हैं. Or what happened? Let's talk. Or just hug her. You know how to cater to a girl because we are wired that way. A man is not wired according to you, and you will have to communicate, otherwise you'll cry. The option one is communicate and be happy. Option two is don't communicate and cry. Choice is yours.
So it's better. So the same thing that you mentioned, कि for a guy, sit with your girl and tell her कि मेरे को प्लीज बताओ तुम्हें क्या क्या पसंद
हाँ.
है, मैं सब कुछ करूंगा तुम्हारे लिए.
हाँ.
On the other hand,
The
in the same
reason girls
situation,
say कि मुझे क्यों बोलना पड़ता है is because they wanted to come from within.
exactly that.
But it's very easy to explain it to them कि मेरे को नहीं आ रहा है within से, आप मेरे को बताओ, फिर मैं अगर within से नहीं करता हूँ.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. See, on the other hand, here the girl should also be okay
To communicate.
to communicate, sit and tell whatever you want, and if they are not doing it,
Then they are
it might be a
yes.
problem.
Yes.
Okay, that's a
Yes.
really good point from
Yes.
like both guys and
Hmm.
girls. And with all this, what we are talking, Rebecca, I'll tell you something that as a guy, I have felt and been in a situation where मैं ऐसे सिचुएशन में रहा हुआ हूँ जहाँ पे there have been girls who have like really treated me very bad. And when I talk about, for me, respect is a lot.
Hmm.
Like I
Hmm.
really mean
For me also
to give
respect is a
respect
lot.
and to receive respect.
Same for me
And
also.
I have been in 2-3 situations
Where there's no respect.
there was no respect. And उस समय I
ये
was
कौन है?
there. उस समय I was completely okay.
Hmm.
When those girls were also not respecting me,
Hmm.
there is this one girl who always respected me with everything.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
like no matter what.
Hmm.
But there was a point where I used to be like okay with taking the disrespect.
Hmm.
But now as a man, I have really changed so much,
You've grown.
Rebecca. I've grown ki now I cannot take the bullshit.
कौन
If
है
you are
लड़की?
disrespecting me, I cannot take it
फोटो
at all.
दिखाओ.
I will show it to you.
कौन है? कितने टाइम से?
So wait, I'll tell you about that. Let me finish this thing.
नहीं जानना.
So for me, it's like now I cannot take the disrespect at all.
हाँ.
So I think as a man, I have grown in this thing called love,
हाँ.
and I'm very happy, very secured now.
हाँ.
You know, in a way ki I'm just whatever I want is there.
Your stability is come.
Yeah, and now
See,
because
men fall into relationships for emotional support and stability. Not for the physical aspect. I'm sure while you find her pretty, you're still not blown away if she walks in and you'll not stare at her.
yeah.
Physical aspect is gone.
And I think that is very important for people to and I was there. यहाँ पे मेरे को भी it was more of physical than of other things. But now when you start understanding the meaning of love, I think you will understand physicality does not come into the picture.
So I think that
no
is what-
matter how beautiful she is.
Yeah.
But for you, it is more of compatibility and the main thing that you mentioned, adaptability.
हाँ. कौन है लड़की? But I'll also tell you, this is what changes with age. When we are younger, we look for euphoria and butterflies. And as we age, we exactly don't look for euphoria and butterflies. We look for calmness and peace. Like we don't want somebody who's giving us butterflies.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
want somebody who just comes in. I can get all that nonsense in the world and come back and feel calm with you. And yeah, respect and understanding of each other's freedom. In the age that we live in, I think respect and understanding of one's freedom is very important.
Very important. And you know, as a
And
guy,
supporting each other's goals because we all want to become Bill Clinton.
yeah. And I think it also helps you so much when you have a partner who is going to be with you, who is stable enough, who is supporting you. तुम्हारा जो focus पहले ऐसे था ना,
Hmm.
like you used to see these things because you're looking at more people, options. When you have a supporting partner like that, your vision becomes this now.
Yeah, but that is true. When you have one partner, your growth is easier.
You believe in that, right?
I believe in that.
And I think I have felt it personally.
One happy relationship. I don't say if you have one partner.
I'm thinking
But
happy.
if a happy relationship, then your growth is faster. Yeah.
Amazing.
But that is true. Let's get the girlfriend, boyfriend out of the picture. Let's talk about individuals that come out of a happy family and unhappy family. जिनको घर पे जाके वापस झगड़ा वगैरह देखना है. And individuals that come out of a very supporting family कि it's okay. रात को 10 बजे भी आ रहा है या 11 बजे भी आ रहा है, काम करके आ रहा है लड़का. Look at the growth of the two individuals. Just coming back to a place that gives stability is very different.
And I think men, they really need stability.
Men look for emotional stability.
जितना भी लड़के बोल ले कि नहीं, and जितना भी लड़कियां सोचती है maybe about men कि नहीं, they also look into physical. They do. I'm not saying they don't at all, but I think as soon as they find stability somewhere, they will.
What can attract a man is physical appearance. What can make a man stay is emotional stability and support.
Love it.
Yeah.
Love it. तो उसके साथ okay, we are almost towards the end, Rebecca. ठीक है. एक राउंड जो हम लोगों ने पहले एपिसोड में नहीं किया था, and we are going to do it now. So it is called a rapid fire round.
Okay.
Okay. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है, छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चन है, जितना जल्दी आंसर दे सको.
जितना जल्दी आंसर दे सके.
ठीक है?
हाँ.
And so this is rapid fire
You
round.
also answer.
Yeah, I will. Perfect. Both of us can
हाँ.
answer. Okay. So this is the first time I think
We are doing rapid fire.
rapid fire for each other.
हाँ.
So rapid fire round sponsored by the Backstory store.
हाँ.
We have a small gift for you after this. A bad heartbreak or a bad haircut? Choose one.
A bad haircut. Hair will grow back, no? What is yours?
Same, I think a bad haircut.
Yeah.
Okay. अपने एक्स को टेक्स्ट करना या दुश्मन को टेक्स्ट करना?
दुश्मन को टेक्स्ट करना.
Same, I think, for me also.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think if you were asking me this question a year back, I would have said yeah, my ex. But now at this point, I think I would say dushman ko text.
But I have no dushman.
You are a sweet person.
You also have no dushman. We're
Yeah.
not living in the 90s.
Yeah. I remember one line from the first episode.
Good.
The first thing you like, तुम अपने बारे में बताओ रेबेका. तुमने क्या बोली? मैं बहुत sweet person हूँ.
Yeah, I have no dushman.
Perfect.
हाँ.
Top 3 movies जो सबको देखनी चाहिए.
Watch every movie that comes and go in the theater.
No,
and
give
watch.
me 3 movies.
I
Give me
don't
3.
know 3
Give me
movies.
3 any 3 movies. Like it doesn't have to be from a particular genre. Just give me 3 movies.
I have a horrible memory. I must have enjoyed that movie and I don't
Okay,
remember
give me
it.
whatever is coming to your mind right now. It might not be the best, but whatever is coming to your mind right now.
I'll give
3
you
movies.
a tip. Don't watch romantic movies. Watch everything else. Specifically, I'll tell you why. Because movies are fiction. A work of fiction. When we are watching an action movie, nobody's coming up and beating up their friends. When we are watching a supernatural movie, we're not doing all of that. When we are watching a horror movie, we're not becoming ghosts or nothing. We're not putting that into reality. When we are watching romantic movies, somehow we get delusional and start expecting that in reality. It's only romance that comes out of fiction and gives you that expectation that this can happen in real. Please understand, it's fiction. Shah Rukh Khan is not going to come and sweep you off. Like he's not going to woo you. So stay away from romance.
Okay. Otherwise, give me 3 movies.
Watch everything else, yeah.
3 movies. Give me
I
3 movies,
don't
yaar.
know. तुम बताओ.
Okay. मेरा सबसे top favorite रहेगा is Perks of Being a Wallflower.
देखा ही नहीं है मैंने.
Okay. Such a beautiful story.
हाँ.
एक लड़का है who is not very he's falling in love but he's not very open about
हाँ.
things, and it's a beautiful love heartbreak movie. Okay. Second, I would say would be Castaway. Castaway, जहाँ पे there is this guy, he was in a plane and the plane crashes and he gets lost. He's away. So he lands up in an island. He lands up on an island and अब वो अपने आप को जिंदा रखने के लिए he's surviving on an island. So second would be that. I'm not talking about the cliche movies and all. Okay. Third, I would say Passenger. Okay, it's a romance का.
Oh, the one in the
Yes.
UFO.
Yes. So जहाँ पे
he wakes her up.
Yeah, they are trying to move to a different dimension.
But he wakes her up.
Yeah, and वो उसका machine खराब हो जाता है. He is out of that, so वो एकदम current में फंस जाता है. Now because he wants someone in his life, he cannot be alone. He wakes someone else to be a partner. Amazing.
No, I don't have any movie. Like once I've watched. Now I don't new movie.
These are the 3 movies you should definitely watch.
तुम बार-बार देखोगे?
I keep watching it.
हाँ तो I want to see new. Netflix पे कुछ नया, Prime Video
Okay,
पे
give
कुछ
me
नया.
a movie that you अभी latest देखी है सबसे ज्यादा.
अभी ये भूल भुलैया के साथ सिंघम.
कैसी थी?
अरे बहुत अच्छी थी. It's mad. First half is a little second half, Arjun Rampal does a mad job as a villain. I think he should just do more of that. Once Ranveer Singh kicks in, he lifts the movie for you. You laugh. Like it's entertaining. Damn nice. And just the fact that you're getting all these characters together and everybody has good enough screen time is, I don't know how they do it.
It's nice. So everyone should watch Singham
Everybody
again.
should watch every movie in a theater because sometimes just not getting disconnect gives you that.
No, what was the name? Which Singham is this?
Singham again.
Singham again.
Huh.
Okay, watch it, guys.
Yeah, watch it, guys.
Okay. What's your guilty pleasure?
What's guilty pleasure?
Something that you love but you are guilty about it. Say example, you don't want to gain, you don't want to eat a lot of sugar, but you love eating ice cream. You know?
I like to eat sugar, so I eat all the
No.
sugar. But I think knowing the end of a movie or a book,
What?
I will never watch something if I don't know the end. Like I've
You
called up
would want to know the end of
a
something
book
and
or a
then
movie.
start watching it.
Yeah, like
So what is the point when you know this person is going to die end of the movie and you
I just
already
know
know and
if
you were watching the whole movie keeping in mind that person is going to die?
I come from a aspect where I've seen great movies with a horrible end. I'm not saying someone's dead. I'm just saying the end is flat. Like I've really enjoyed the movie and I'm like, this is what I was watching it for. Like I want to know what happens in the end if my time is
Oh
worth.
my
I
God.
have gone to theaters in the middle. 5 minutes of the movie, I've realized shit. And I'm like, okay, I had seen your story, you've seen this movie, now tell me what happens. And then they tell me what happens. So the whole story they have to tell. I'll be like, okay. And then I'll enjoy the movie. I
तुम्हें
just need to know it's worth
तुम्हें
it.
मूवी हॉल में घुसने नहीं देना चाहिए कसम से बोल
But
रहा
I
हूँ
enjoy
What
movies.
is this?
Guilty pleasure.
Oh my God. Best place in Bangalore food का जो सबको try करना चाहिए.
Naivedya, no. Shit. I have to. What is the name? Not Naivedya. It's from N. They give Nati food.
Okay, what is it? Quickly.
Now he's also Navyuga. Navayuga.
Where is that?
It's Hotel Navayuga. I've gone there and it's damn nice. It's a little local, like it's not very fancy. How do you see where it is?
Okay, what is the food about? Tell me that.
Bangalorean Nati food.
Okay, give me other few places.
That's all. I'll tell you where Navayuga is. Navayuga is in Gandhinagar, Bangalore.
Okay.
Damn good food. They give you food on a leaf like regular places and all. But if you want to have like proper local Bangalore food, Navayuga.
Navayuga.
Navayuga. What's your favorite Bangalore place?
My favorite Bangalore food.
I also like Meghna's.
Ah.
I love
Oh my God.
Meghna's.
I don't think so. Meghna biryani is a biryani.
I
It is.
love Meghna's.
No, people love it, I'm sure. But being from Calcutta, I would always, any day, prefer Kolkata biryani over any other biryani
Meghna's
in the world.
dum aloo biryani is also good.
But I think I would. But the thing in the biryani,
You need
Kolkata
to.
ka biryani is very
So,
different.
I come from Mumbai. I've had biryani there. I've had Lucknowi biryani. I'm not saying Bangalore biryani is the best. I'm saying I have the taste for
Meghna's.
no different biryanis. Like I can go to Lucknow and be like, wow, I've had Calcutta biryani. It's yummy. But I also can
But for me,
appreciate.
I think if I'm having biryani, I will only have Calcutta biryani. I
No.
don't like any
I
other
think I
biryani.
have the taste for different biryanis from different states because I
You like
enjoy biryani only so
Okay,
much.
which is the best one so far?
In here,
No. Otherwise, all the biryanis that you have tasted.
no, there's no
Which-
best. They very like I've had Calcutta biryani. It's the aloo biryani.
Yes,
It's
yes,
damn
yes.
nice, but it's a different taste again. It's really nice, but I think in Bangalore I like the Donne and Meghna.
Do you watch India's Got Talent?
I watched 1 or 2 episodes only.
Okay, who is your favorite participant so far?
That Sharon, who's from Bihar.
Yeah.
I even follow her on Instagram. I find her damn witty, like situational witty.
She was really good, no?
She's really good.
And talking about that,
Huh.
Samay Raina.
Hmm.
My God, who is this person? He's like, the other day I was talking to my
Hmm.
friend that he's so on point with his jokes. Like, uska na jokes itna हंसने वाला नहीं होता है, but the way he says it, the delivery, the timing, I think that picks up his joke a lot.
Also, as an artist, I don't know how much I can appreciate him or no because I don't know. He's funny, yes. But there are very few people in their sector who lift up the entire field. Like, let's assume a physiotherapist who's not earning is again a part of it, but while you're earning, you lift up your field. I think Samay has done that. Like, a few
For
people have done that. Tanmay had
Basi,
done it.
Samay,
I don't
Harsh
know.
Gujral,
Bus he did it or no.
Tanmay Bhatt, definitely he's the
I
OG.
know Tanmay did it. I see Samay doing it. I think like a few people do that where वो लोग तो अच्छा कर ही रहे हैं, but they take their entire
Industry forward.
genre only up. They take their industry up and they lift their industry up at a different level.
And that is Samay.
That is what Samay is doing. So that's a very good thing where you think of you, but you also are very mindful of your industry.
Hmm.
That is what creators should also do. When creators charge a lesser amount to do a brand, you're degrading your industry.
Hmm.
Like as a creator, if you're doing a good job and making money, but you're lifting the entire industry to reach a certain path and walk that path, it's beautiful.
Who is your favorite creator? I know everyone. You love everyone. I love everyone. But someone that you really adore with work.
Journeys I adore. I adore all these OG creators ka journey. I adore. Prajakta Kohli, Bhuvan Bam, Tanmay Bhatt, Ranveer. I think everybody, because they've had different pathways. They have not overlapped on each other's pathway, but everywhere they have gone is a way that we could also go. Like, let's say when a creator enters movie, they're doing a good job, not doing a good job, not my point. But they have opened a door for creators to
Yeah,
enter.
yeah,
If you're
yeah.
going internationally on platforms, you've opened that door for us. Like, I just feel like these people have opened pathways for.
And I think for me, one of these people that you mentioned, a biggest role जिसने मेरे life में play किया है is Ranveer.
Hmm.
To be honest, like I really adore him. Like
Hmm.
from everything that he's been doing, because it was not easy when he started podcasting. There was no signs of podcast. Like
And the beautiful thing is that they have never overlapped each other's career paths, and they've always spoken in very high regard of each other. And
yes,
they've
yes,
not
yes,
मतलब अपने व्यूज के लिए किसी और के बारे में बकवास नहीं बात
exactly.
किया.
exa-
That just talks about a person. Like if you're a
Good creator,
Yeah.
you will order, and that is what Ranveer has like helped me. Like whatever I'm doing today, it is also because he's inspired me a lot with whatever it is. Say meditation, it is workout, it is podcasting, it is being a good person, keeping your relationship private. Everything like has come from him, and like as a person, he has played a very important role in my life, and I'm sure he's going to play better roles in
Yeah,
my
so
life.
that way I don't think anybody's played a role in my life or I'm inspired by anybody, but I love these people's journey.
These people.
Like 5 years back, if you would tell me a creator will become an actor or be on platforms,
It was a big thing to even
yeah,
know.
I would not. Yeah.
Great. उसके साथ लास्ट क्वेश्चन रेबेका, ये हमारा रैपिड फायर रहा नहीं
I
है
swear, yeah.
पर ठीक है, पर कोई नहीं. लास्ट क्वेश्चन, बेस्ट 3 गाने जो सबको सुनने चाहिए.
मेरे को नहीं पता.
तुम्हारे फेवरेट 3 सॉन्ग्स.
नहीं है.
What? Give me 3
I'm
songs.
not this person, this गाने person.
Okay, give me 3 songs that you're listening to.
I'm not listening to any song right now.
You will listen to or
तुम मेरे को बोल दो 3 गाने, मैं उसको सुन लूंगी. I'm not a song person. I don't have Spotify, Apple Music,
what?
YouTube Music on my phone. I'm not a music person.
You don't listen to music?
Yeah.
What are you saying?
I don't listen to music. It's what I'm saying. मैं गाने नहीं सुनती.
भाई कैसे जीती हो फिर?
काम करने से जीवन कट जाता है.
No, but song is something that everyone listens to.
मैं नहीं सुनती गाने. I don't have subscription to any of these things. I don't listen to songs. Wow. Listen to nature
Listen to yourself.
and myself. But really, I don't listen to songs. So I don't have
I
like a
think-
favorite song.
No, you don't listen to songs only. That is the biggest shocking news I've got right now.
Why does one have to listen to songs?
I think that it just uplifts your mood. I feel that.
हाँ, वैसे मेरा uplift करने के लिए बहुत कुछ है.
Okay, what is it?
Everything, a conversation can just looking outside in the nature and looking at a lot of greenery makes me damn happy.
Hmm.
Like I've gone to places and fought for a mountain view room or a beach facing room. Just waking up to nature is beautiful. And I can listen to nature, makes me happy. I can listen to people and whatever they want to talk to and how their day is, makes me happy.
Okay, best travel destination you've been to.
Kashmir. In India, Kashmir. where I had gone to Kashmir कुछ 3 साल पहले और मैंने सोचा था मैं साल में 3 बार आऊँगी for autumn, winters and summers. उसके बाद मैं एक भी बार नहीं
Tell me
गई.
something about Kashmir.
It's a very, I don't know if that's the word. It's a very virgin place. Like when you go to some places, you really feel like this is like people have not come here. It's very untouched beauty, and it's beauty to another level. Food is extremely great. Weather is very comfortable. People are warm and beyond. Like not only do they are they good at customer service, while your checkout also they'll sit with you and they'll not say कि हमको rating देके जाना. They're talking to you to understand your experience. They'll be like, come back, we'll try and cater well. And it's not about you rating them. It's just about they wanting to
The
talk.
gesture, the
Yeah.
warm feeling that they
That
give
have
you.
you had a good time? And I hope we could serve you well. And I think Kashmiri people are just all heart. Just damn nice people. All heart. They have no expectations from you because we can really do nothing for them. So they're just giving. It's a beautiful place, Kashmir.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So with that, we come to the end of this rapid fire round. We have a small gift for you. This is from the Backstory store.
What is this?
छोटा सा gift.
Hey, this is from your store?
Yeah.
Damn nice. Yeah, I've heard a lot about your store.
Before we go, you
Please
are
say
going
come
to.
back, Rebecca.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You are going to be the star guest.
Yes, please say. I'll come back next month only.
We are going to do something. We
Yeah.
will try to do something.
If they say come back, Rebecca, we'll do what
Okay.
we decided.
Please say come back, Rebecca, in the comments below, guys, so that we can do one more episode. with
Yes, please.
her. Okay, before we go, one message to everyone who's just watching this, Rebecca.
Say come back, Rebecca. Watch Shanky's podcast. Follow me. What message should I give them? What message do they want about?
About life. Something that they are chasing, something that they are passionate about, something that they want to really achieve.
Don't work too hard. Live a little more. Because work will go on till you die. Living may or may not be convenient as you age. Just live a little more. You'll be happier. Just don't that hustle culture of achieving and reaching this goal and reaching that goal. You reach everything and you sit over there, and now when you have everything, you're still not happy. Just live a little more than you're working.
I would so much agree to that. Like,
Yeah.
I would want to. I was someone who was always a work person.
Hmm.
I've started becoming a person to live more
Same.
and work less.
Same.
And I think that has also changed me as a person and
Hmm.
given me more happiness in life.
And more productive.
You're more productive.
You're way
200%.
this happened with me when
200%.
I'm traveling like mad and everybody's asking me why I'm traveling. Most of the times I'm traveling for work and sometimes chill. But just taking that breaks makes you way more productive than you were.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah.
I'll tell you one example before we go. There was this, we went for a trip. This
Hmm.
is me and my friend. So she had office, obviously, 9 to 5 job
Hmm.
proper. But, and she was into sales.
Hmm.
तो जब वो बैंगलोर में काम कर रही थी, she was closing, say, 5 numbers, sales every day, say. When we started traveling, she was only working for 3 hours in a day because she had to finish it in that. So एकदम पूरा दिमाग उतने में था. We were enjoying the other time. 3 hours काम कर रही थी. She used to close more than 10 sales every day.
But it
So,
is right. You
It
become more.
literally changes.
And also when I was working, जब मैं workaholic थी, I realized कि आप दूसरों जो बाकी successful लोग हैं, आप उनके I don't know what is it called. What am I giving? उसको क्या बोलते हैं कि आप दूसरों के perception से और दूसरों के experience से and
Point of view.
दूसरों के point of view से and experiences से you learn. When you're a workaholic, you look at successful people, you read books, you learn from what everybody else has done. When you live more and when you travel more or you're just living and doing experiences more, you learn from your own experiences
Yeah.
and you have your set of perceptions that are beautiful.
Yeah. I
Like,
would agree.
It's not you understand कि ये इनका perception है और ये मेरा perception, and that only happens when you start living more and having more experiences.
So with that, guys, live a little more, work a little less. You'll have a good life. You'll have a happy life, and
Because money is never enough.
money is never enough. Happiness,
Done.
God. Well, guys, with that, see you. Bye bye. Take care. We'll see you in the next episode. We'll have Rebecca again. Please don't forget to comment. Bring Rebecca back, and we'll get her again. See you. Bye bye. Take care. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस फॉर वॉचिंग दिस एपिसोड। अगर आप यहाँ तक पहुंच ही गए हैं तो हमारे चैनल को जाके सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, ये वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली के साथ शेयर कर दीजिए, और कोई भी रिलेशनशिप में प्रॉब्लम है या सिंगल हो और कुछ टिप्स चाहिए कमेंट सेक्शन में बोल दीजिए, क्योंकि हम आपके सब क्वेश्चंस आंसर करने वाले हैं। हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके रहिए, क्योंकि आगे की जो एपिसोड होने वाले हैं वो और भी अच्छे होने वाले हैं और भी ज़्यादा यूनिक होने वाले हैं। सो देखते रहिए आप अनसेट फीलिंग्स विद शैंकी।